Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm just doing the draw quickly for the pink glitter charm that I did the other day and posted as a giveaway. So I have packaged it up. I packaged it upside down, unfortunately, so when whoever receives it, make sure you open it up from here. I should have done it the other way, but oh well. Anyway, things happen. So this is the giveaway. I had 13 entries, and those are the names. I'm just going to shake this up, and let's see who we can get for a winner. Okay, so the winner is number 2, Elsa the Bargain Hunter. That's awesome. Elsa and I have just connected, so she is going to win this lucky charm here. And congratulations, Elsa. Please send me your mailing address and I'll get that mailed out to you right away. And I have one more little surprise. I'm going to give this one away as well. So I'm going to give 2 away. This one doesn't have pink glitter, but it does have the pink and the white and the clear and some silver. So I'm going to give this one away as well. So let's see. So we have Elsa for the first one. Let's see who is going to win the next one. Number 3, Lorraine Barton. New Beginnings. Perfect, Lorraine. So excited for you and Elsa to win these 2 charms. So you guys, if you could just send me an email with your mailing addresses, and I'll get those out as soon as I can, or when I'm hitting to the post office next time. And I'll get those out. I hope you guys are having a great Sunday. Bye.